found a paradise for freedivers and diving enthusiasts in Panglao Island Bohol. And the good news is, this place is also very safe for those who have not experienced diving or simply cannot swim well. Yes, non-swimmers like us truly enjoy the Napaling Bohol Sardine Run. You can experience this great phenomenon underwater with the help of local guides and life vests. The snorkeling area here is big and roped off, so you'll know where the restricted areas are. Also, the stairs and ramp makes it easy to get in and out of the waters. You can visit the Napaling Reef and enjoy its vibrant marine life all year round. Make sure to include this popular spot in your itineraries when you visit Bohol. For reviews on places, events, food, rest, like and share this video and hit subscribe.